India's armed forces have already and always been prepared. Indian Air Forces exercise Akraman, where the pilots striking ground and mountain targets. These are exercises that Indian armed forces have been doing not just in the past few days, but every few months as the exercises happen. Long-range sorties are being practiced as well. BrahMos anti-ship and anti-surface cruise missiles that have been test-fired. Amid all of this, remember, these are officially formally released information. So we are, of course, not putting out any sensitive information right now. But to remind you about India's military power. Missiles fired from the naval warships. Kolkata, for example, let's go across there where, remember, high-class destroyers, Nilgiri, Kriva-class frigates also were used. INS Surat test fires surface-to-air missile, sea skimming target that were hit in that specific exercise that happened. Army Southwestern Command drill, for example, that happened in the past few days. Let me tell you about that too. Combined arms maneuver training that was given. Sandviper Brigade conducting exercise as well. So these are, remember, different commands, all of them currently with the joint drills, the military exercise. Aishwarya Paliwal continues to be with us. Remember, whether it's about sea, land or air, all the militaries ensuring that their exercises are on, Aishwarya. But that is perhaps what has got Pakistan rattled as well, that unlike them, there's no heavy deployment at the border. There is not something that India is clearly giving out signals for. There is another kind of strategic posturing that the government is indulging this time in.
Well, Pooja, don't be surprised if Pakistan is looking at the land, at sea and in the air and the strike actually happens from somewhere else. Because
yes,
that is something that at the moment the government is also mulling at. You will not hit when you know that Pakistan is looking. You will hit, and this time it will be a deadly dent. We all know how past instances have been. This time the government made it very, very clear. And this time the idea was to make sure that Hindus are being singled out. So the message that even the terrorists were trying to send out was loud and clear. That's why the government, the bang that we will see coming in from the government will also be loud and clear. Something that the countries globally will sit up and take notice of, that this is how India has responded. The government also understands that making sure that you give a befitting reply, catching those who are the real masterminds, that's the plan this time around, Pooja, because catching pawns, killing pawns will not work this time around. We all know who is responsible for it, and this time the government is gunning for those who are the masterminds behind this. Of
course, there is an understandable expected response from the government as well that should come in the days to come. That's what all eyes will be on, and we'll wait for the government and our armed forces to take that decision. Aishwarya, thank you for now.